we're doing the cinnamon challenge at 10:43 p.m. and everyone's asleep, so shh. Ready? Okay. Are we going at the same time? That's my dog. Okay, ready? Let go. You have to. Last time I did this with Riley, it went all over the camera.
Oh, disgusting. Never doing that again.
We'll get the sugar down cinnamon next time. That stuff's easy to eat. I used to always eat it with the toast that we got last year at Drummond. I would sneak down with the toast bins and eat all the cinnamon. The teacher wondered why I was so hyper. I was like, yeah, cinnamon!
And watch our other video of me eating mustard.
I still have to eat something gross.
Yeah, she does. So, yeah.
Yeah. So, watch me eat something gross next.